Have you ever opened your wardrobe and thought, I have nothing to wear, while seeing a mountain of clothes staring back at you? That was me until I realized the importance of creating a sustainable wardrobe. In today's video, I'll be talking about something super exciting and important: how to build a sustainable wardrobe. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the fast fashion industry and its impact on our planet, you are in the right place, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to know on how to create a stylish, eco-friendly wardrobe that you will love. Back to my channel, I'm Benita, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Whether you're a returning subscriber or new to my channel, I'm excited to share my passion for body confidence, image building and styling. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to invite you to join our growing family by clicking the subscribe button. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to connect with you through my content. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to tap the notification bell to stay updated on my latest video. Thank you for being a part of this journey with me. First off, let's define what we mean by sustainable wardrobe. Sustainability in fashion is all about making mindful choices that are good for the environment and society. It's about understanding the life cycle of your clothing, shoes and accessories, from production to disposal. It also includes looking at the materials and as well thinking about how long you will keep your clothes, your shoes and accessories. That is the meaning of sustainable wardrobe. Don't just shop for clothes, shoes and accessories. Always think about the durability, how long it will stay for. In fact, did you know that the fashion industry is responsible for 10% of our global carbon emission? It's alarming, but we can change that. We can make a difference by making the right choice. So let's break it down step by step. If you're so interested in building a sustainable wardrobe, the first thing you must do is decluttering your wardrobe. You must start with a clean state. Assess your current wardrobe. Take everything out of the wardrobe and ask yourself some key questions. I would recommend the Marie Kondo method. This is the method where you hold each piece of item and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it doesn't, let it go. You can donate, sell or recycle those items. Not only will this help you keep what you love, but will also prevent waste. Another question to ask yourself are, when was the last time I wore this? Does this fit me well? Is this item made from sustainable material? How does this make me feel? When you provide a good answer to this question, it will help you understand what you actually wear and need. So to build a sustainable wardrobe, any items that no longer fit, take it out. Any items that you haven't worn in over a year, take it out. Or any item that you simply don't love, take it out. Donate or sell it in good condition and recycle those that are damaged. You should be able to analyze the gap between what you truly need versus what you want. Also, try as much as possible to create a list of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. So now that you've decluttered your wardrobe, it's time to shop wisely and it's time to shop smart. So before buying anything, I can't stress enough the importance of understanding or researching brands. Look for companies or brands that prioritize ethical production practice. This means fair wages, safe working conditions and eco-friendly materials. Now that your wardrobe is cleaned, this is the beginning of building a sustainable wardrobe. So let's talk about the good stuff: quality over quantity. Invest in timeless pieces that are durable and versatile. I know it might be tempting to buy tons of cheap clothes, but investing in a few high quality pieces means you would wear them longer, and that's what we want. So look for timeless styles that can be mixed and matched. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Think classic jeans, a nice trench coat or a chilly oversized sweater. I am for a cozy hoodie, but it shouldn't shed after one wash. No. So when you're shopping, look for brands committed to sustainability. Check for organic materials, recycled fabrics, and ethical production practice. At that particular time, your wallet might feel the pinch, but in the long run, your wardrobe will thank you. When we talk about sustainable wardrobe, this isn't about having tons of clothes. It's about quality. Invest in timeless pieces that are durable and versatile. Choose classic styles that would go out of fashion quickly. Classic items like a white shirt, a good pair of jeans, and a little black dress can be dressed up and down for any occasion. Also check the quality of stitching and detailing. Look for garments that are designed to last longer. That way you build a sustainable wardrobe. Now that we've talked about outfit, quality over quantity, let's talk about embracing second-hand and vintage fashion. One of the most sustainable choices you can make is to shop second-hand or vintage. Yes, you heard me, second-hand or vintage. Thrift stores are vintage truths. I mean, who doesn't love the thrill of finding a vintage gem? Literally, some of my best pieces were found in the depths of a vintage store. Not only are you having or you saving money, but you're also reducing waste. One of the good things I love about vintage shopping is that it provides you with one-of-a-kind pieces that can make your wardrobe stand out, and it's also budget friendly. So you get quality items at a lower prices. So in this way, we can build a vibrant, sustainable fashion landscape that honors both the planet and our individual styles. Another way to build a sustainable wardrobe is to create a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe consists of around 30 to 40 pieces that work interchangeably. Think chic top, versatile bottoms, and classic dresses. So here are a quick list of essentials that you need in order to build a capsule wardrobe. You need a tailored blazer, a white button up shirt, a pair of well-fitted jeans, an LBD, which is the little black dress, and a comfortable shoe. These are the items you need in order to create a capsule wardrobe. If you're watching this video, creating a capsule wardrobe not only creates your style but also simplifies your life. It makes your dressing every day so easy. You spend less time worrying about what to wear and more time enjoying your outfit. So you've built your sustainable wardrobe. Now let's keep it in a good shape. Let's talk about caring for your clothes. Did you know that how you wash and store your garments can extend their life? Proper care is key to making your clothes last longer. So here I'm going to share with you some quick tips on how to take proper care of your clothes. If you're shopping for quality over quantity, it's important to know how to take care of them. And one of the first tips is to wash your clothes with cold water to save energy. Air dryer whenever possible, and also try as much as possible to avoid dryer because some of the items might shrink. Learn simple repairs. Don't toss it if it has small hole. Another thing you need to do in order to take proper care of your clothes is to always read the labels and follow the instructions on how to wash and iron your clothes. Line drying your clothes instead of using the dryer is also a game changer. Not only will this save energy, but your clothes will last much longer. So far we've talked about the meaning of sustainable wardrobe, decluttering your wardrobe, and shopping for quality over quantity, and caring for your wardrobe as well. Next on the list is mix and match. This is where the magic happens. Get creative. Take one piece and style it in different ways. For example, a denim jacket can go with a dress jeans or even over a cute top. I challenge you today, if you're watching this video, to create at least 3 outfits with the same item. It's like a mini fashion show in your bedroom. So another way on how to build a sustainable wardrobe is to practice mindful consumption. I mean the one-in-one out rule. For every new item acquired, aim to remove one existing item from your wardrobe. Also, before making any purchase, wait a week to ensure if it's something you truly want and need. Let's talk about several tips that will help you make thoughtful choices as you build your sustainable wardrobe. Step 1 is to assess your current wardrobe. Before buying new items, take the time to evaluate what you already own. Identify pieces you love, those clothes you wear often, and those that may no longer serve you. This will help you understand your personal style and also avoid unnecessary purchases. Step 2 is to set a budget and stick to it. When you establish a budget, this can help prevent impulse buying, and by knowing how much you can afford to spend, you encourage yourself to think carefully about each purchase and prioritize quality over quantity. Step 3, research brands. Look for clothing brands that prioritize sustainable practices. Investigate their materials, production and process, and labor practices as well, which is very important. Many brands are committed to environmental stewardship and fair labor practices, and knowing where your clothes come from can help you make informed decisions. Step 4. Be mindful of trends. The fast fashion industry strives to rapidly change trends that encourages excessive consumption. Instead of following every new trend, focus on timeless styles that reflect your personal style and can be worn for years to come. Step 5. Educate yourself. Increase your understanding of sustainable fashion by reading articles, watching documentaries, and following influencers and organizations that emphasize eco-conscious living. The more you know about sustainability, the better equipped you make responsible choices. Step 6. Reflect on your values. Take the time to reflect on what sustainability means to you personally. Consider the ethical implications and the environmental impact of your purchases, and let your value guide you in making mindful consumption decisions. Also consider buying from local designers. That way you're reducing the carbon footprint associated with shipping. So let's round it up. Building a sustainable wardrobe doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about making mindful choices, one step at a time, by being selective about what you buy, where you shop, and how you care for your clothes. You'll create a wardrobe that reflects your style and values. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards a sustainable wardrobe today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips. Share your favorite sustainable brand in the comment section below, and let's inspire each other to make more eco-friendly choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.